Well, today is my mother-in-law's birthday, and Randallyn decided to tell her mother that I'm having a yard sale and that she has to work because I guess we're going to surprise her in Chicago. So we're going to have all kinds of fun driving that way, or Schaumburg, or wherever we're going. Schaumburg! So yeah, Randallyn, why did you lie to your mother?
Because I can.
Good enough excuse, I guess. So yeah, we're going to start our journey and hopefully all goes well. Well, we made it to Ikea, and of course everybody else is late, but that's okay. Always fun. Saw a Lamborghini on the way, but I didn't get footage of it because I forgot to turn on my camera. Oh well, always fun. Mustang right over here. Here we got a Mini Cooper too. Ooh, and a Mercedes. Ooh, look at the Mercedes. All right, I love these cars. It's a good thing about coming to this area. Big old Ikea in Schaumburg, or Schaumburg as some famous comedians like to call it. Nice little area out here in the middle of nowhere. The interstate's right there, and we're about to get run over by a Jeep. Oh, it's fun. Well, hopefully they get here soon, and then we can all go shopping. Ooh. Oh, look at the yellow tulips. Goes with the yellow building. And these blue ones. Oh, they got the blue little flowers here. That's pretty. Looks good. I like it. Uh-oh, I haven't been to Ikea in so long. Crazy. So my mother-in-law doesn't know that we're here, so when they come in the store we're hiding, and then she's gonna go up the escalator. We're gonna sneak in behind her and see how long it takes her to notice that we're behind her. This should be a lot of fun. They're coming in the building now, and hopefully they don't see us. They had to go to the bathroom, so we're still hiding in the corner.
Like we did something bad.
Like we did something. I'm used to being in the corner. I'm always in the corner. I always do something bad. What's up with that? Hopefully she doesn't get a magazine, because if she does, then she'll spot us. We're trying to sneak up on her. There they go right now. They're going up. All right, get ready. Let's go. Come on. They just went up the stairs. Let's go. We haven't been spotted yet.
Hey!
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thought we'd surprise you.
Yeah, you did.
We've been hiding downstairs for like a half hour. What's up, everybody?
Yeah, good job.
Ooh, they got a little bit of everything here. Been so many years since I've been to Ikea. Oh, look, it's a little egg. That's crazy. We should look at couches while we're here, Randallyn. Good Lord, too much stuff. See how I can get this a home on the Corvette. That should be fun, right? Ooh, it turns into a bed. I like this one. That's pretty nifty.
Well, sure.
There you go, Jacob-sized chair. Even then, it still floats on you. There you go. You're supposed to do a backflip.
I got.
No? Okay. Can you do a backflip? Okay.
No, he was getting really confused about all different turnings and thinking that we were lost. And the way that we went by Gilbert.
Oh, okay.
Oh, shit. Ran over something. I'm going to push again? Yeah. All right, watch out, Grandma. Ugh. The things we do in Ikea. Here, we'll have a race. Whoosh. Whoa. You fell. Hop back on the chair. Let's go. Whee! And slingshot. Whoosh. Whee! Oh, here we go. Slingshot you. Whoops. Right. As he crashes into the... This is better than driving around, huh? Oh boy, we end up at Woodfield Mall. It used to be the largest mall in America at one point. But now it's not, or actually it was the largest mall in the world at one point. But then the Mall of America came, and now all those malls in China and Dubai have taken over. So now it's just a small mall, but it's huge. Red Robin, yum. We got the whole crew, all right. Oh boy, lots of fun. When my brother gets out of the hospital, we gotta come here. Pepper Palace. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go see what we got here. Whoa. Barbecue sauces. I am looking at hot sauce. You want some hot sauce? And of course, Jacob gets hot sauce whenever he says a bad word, so he doesn't want to come in here. Dude, that's awesome. Horseradish oyster sauce. Nummy. Oh, my brother and I have got to come here. Angry asshole. Blistered bunghole. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Hey, what else? I got the barbecues, seasonings. Ooh, beef jerky. Excuse me. Salsas must be over 18 to sample. That's pretty bad when you gotta be 18 years old to sample salsa. Seasonings galore. Oh, this is a good place. Olives. Oh, we gotta come here for sure. For sure. Everybody running around aimlessly. This thing is enormous. I'm so lost right now. It's like by a triple, quadruple leveled. Everything is everywhere. I'm so lost. Oh well. Well, folks, it was a long day. And now we're traveling home at night. Way later than I wanted to be out, but oh well. So yeah, just gonna drive, get it over with, get home. It's way later than we expected it to be out, but that's all good. You have fun today, Randallin?
It went by too quickly.
Went by too quickly? Do you think your mom had fun, surprised for her birthday?
Yes.
I think she did too. That damn Cheesecake Factory was good. Yeah, good food.
I hope you hear snorting in your sleep tonight.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with eating bacon. As long as it's not our bacon, we're good. Because, yeah. Bacon, cheeseburger, I think is what I had, yeah. If I want to eat our pig, I will eat our pig.
Nope.
No. Oh, well, I tried. We are on Route 72. I don't know where the heck we are. Are we still in Chumberg?
No.
No, where are we? Middle of nowhere? I don't know. there's the what you call it, the hospital thingy.
Hospital.
Or I don't know, the nursing home, I don't know. I washed the windshield, but I'm getting speckles everywhere. I love driving at night because you get to see all the pretty lights. Chrysler plant where they make a lot of Jeeps and Jeep Cherokees and all that good jazz. So yeah, they're on layoff right now. I swear they're on layoff more than they actually work because I don't know why. I don't run the business, but it is what it is. But it is a humongous plant. It starts way back here, and then you get the railroad yard, and then you got the Moore plant over here. And then they park all the cars over here, but there's no cars parked at the moment. Yeah, that is a humongous plant. But of course, it's got to be to make cars. But like I said, for some reason they're laid off more than they ever work. I think there's a few people working, but very few. And you got very few cars in the parking lot that were actually made. So, oh well, that's one of the fun things. And I got a Mercedes here on my side that wants to race me. But he doesn't want to race anymore because I whooped him up the last time. earlier, that used to be the largest mall in the world, but then they built Mall of America. But now they've got the one in China and Dubai and all those that are much bigger. So this one's tiny compared to those, but it's still enormous. Way bigger than I ever want to walk around again. But we're almost home, and now we get to go to sleep. Wake up, get on the road, come home, go to sleep. There's nothing, yeah. No time to spend at home, so. Oh well, it is what it is. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike it, give it a thumbs down. Subscribe, notifications. You guys know the jazz. Woo, let's not rip off the bumper. There we go. Alright, thanks a lot. Been wonderful. Thanks for watching.